Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video is the MSI GE66 Raider. This is going to be an unboxing and first impressions video, and MSI has put some unique features into this notebook, so I'm excited to show you what those are. So let's roll. All right, so let's take a peek at this unit. So this one I ordered nearly a month ago when I started to build this channel, because I really wanted to see what MSI was doing these days. So this, let's make sure you guys get a good view of it. True gaming. All right, well, we'll see about that. Pull this guy out here. So this unit features one of the largest batteries that you can put into a notebook and actually legally take it onto an aircraft. That's 99.9 watt-hour. And so that is the unit there. It's got this protective film on it, so we'll take that off here in just a moment. So this one weighs just over 5 pounds. I think it's like 5.25 pounds. Has the dragon emblem. So what else do we have in the boxes here? All right, so we got a couple of manuals. We don't need those. And looks like we'll have some power brick in here. So this power brick is 230 watts. All right, so let's do the reveal. One finger open. Oh, it's a little stiff, but I think it could get a pass. What do you think? Yeah, I think you can do it. I got this nice cleaning cloth here. All right, so let's go over the technical specs on this unit. This one features a i7-10875H, that's 8 cores, 16 threads, can boost up to 5.1 gigahertz. Features a 240 hertz 1080p screen, 3 millisecond response rate. And then it also features the SteelSeries keyboard. It also has per key RGB, along with 16 gigs of RAM at 3200 megahertz and a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. And then also features a 2070 NVIDIA graphics card. So we'll see how well that performs in this unit. The feature around this is the 6 heat pipes that this unit has. So that should give it plenty of thermal capacity to take the heat away from the GPU and CPU. But the killer feature I think here is how big this battery is. 4-cell, 99.9 watt-hour. The legal limit to take on an airline here in North America. So that should be interesting. I'm hoping that MSI has designed this so that we can actually see the longevity of this notebook off wall power. So on the left-hand side for ports, we have our combo headphone mic port, our USB-C port, along with a USB 3 port, battery indicator, exhaust or intake port, and our Kingston lock. On the right-hand side, we have a USB 3 port, a SD card reader, another USB 3 port, another intake. All right, and then along the back, we of course have the 2 exhaust ports. We have our micro display port, USB-C out with display out capability, our network out port, our HDMI port, and then a proprietary power adapter. It's not quite as thin as some of the other units that are out there, but it's still pretty decent. So let's power this unit on. So it has this cool front RGB. It's actually quite striking. It's actually one of the reasons why I bought it, is I thought it had a really nice and interesting look to it. I actually kind of wish it did wrap around somehow around both sides. similar to the Asus G models. It's got this interesting pulsing view out of it, so I kind of like that. So first impressions on the unit itself. You know, I've been going over it a little bit. There's a couple little things that are just kind of annoyances more than anything. A little bit of manufacturing glue from the factory that's just kind of around on the outside of the unit. Not a big deal, you can clean it off, but just one of those kind of things that's a little bit of annoyance. You know, you expect it to be nice and fresh and clean. The other thing is it doesn't actually have Windows Hello. It does feature a 1080p webcam, so we'll test that out in the review as well. What I do like about this is this glowing bar. I think that's super cool. It's subtle and it looks good. First impressions, not too bad, a little bit thicker. I'm just sitting at the desktop here. You can hear the fan spooling up and down. It's literally not doing much right now, so we'll see how well these thermals can keep up when we actually start running some games and how loud it actually gets. It looks like I found loud mode. Here's loud mode. But it is definitely moving some air now all the way out. So you got exhaust out the back and out the two sides. That's enough of that. All right, so that is the MSI GE66 Raider unboxing and first impressions. Please leave a comment down below on what you'd like me to review in the next few days. Please like and subscribe. Love to hear from you. And until next time, bye for now.